How do you make money on the Zora app? So, what you need to do, let me show you. First, once you launch the app, you can make posts. Okay, so as you can see, this person's post right here, you can click on buy, and you basically pay them in tokens that are called sparks, and you basically buy their post. Okay, and you can also go ahead and sell your Sparks, right? And this person right here, they all have their own ticker. So you can see, let's go ahead and reload that. So these are creator coins, okay? As you can see, this one has a market cap of about 9.7 million. So everyone can get their own creator coin. So you can buy, many people buy these and then wait for it to go up and then they sell it. There's chart data as well. You can see right here, this one just keeps going up. Total volume right here as well. So those are the ways to make money. And the hardest way is to get using posts, but the easiest one would be to buy someone else's, creator coin and then utilize that. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.